Today, let's look at how to maintain a Japanese conversation without really saying anything. Hi, I'm Clay.
Yumi desu.
Conversation is like ping pong. Each player has a turn. But even when it's not your turn, you need to show that you're engaged and you're listening to the speaker. Uh-huh. You don't say. Really? Linguists call this back-channel communication. The listener gives verbal or non-verbal indications that he or she is listening to the speaker. While we do this in English, it's much more common in Japanese. In Japanese, this is called
Aizuchi. Aizuchi.
Pay attention, these interjections are very important for fluid Japanese conversation. First, let's look at the origin of the word.
Aizuchi.
This comes from two smiths hammering an object in turn.
Ai means together. Zuchi means hammer. When you put them together, the tsuchi become zuchi. Aizuchi.
The smith with his hammer and his apprentice have to have a good rhythm. This is just like the back and forth with Japanese conversation. Today we will look at ways of showing agreement or understanding. In the next video, we'll look at ways to show disagreement or shock. Let's get right to some examples.
Hai. Hai. Un. なるほど。なるほど。さすが。さすが。知らなかった。知らなかった。知りませんでした。知りませんでした。すごい。すごい。そうなんですね。そうなんですね。そうですか。そうですか。
Try using some of these examples in your Japanese conversation.
今日の相づち、もう覚えましたか？さすが。頑張ってください。
Bye bye.